mindset. So anybody who not thinking according to how we talking right now, you know their mindset is not beneficial for you. You see what I'm saying? Like, the less friends you have, really the better. Honestly. You know what I'm saying? Less distraction, less temptation, and every man must walk in their own way. So I didn't walk in here like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go in there and talk to them and hopefully they accept me. I don't care if you accept me. Like, I could go to my hotel right now, y'all could, who is bro coming into our mosque talking like that? Like, who he thought he was? Like, nobody care about that nigga, you know what I'm saying? But it don't matter to me, because I'm here to do the Allah's will, Insha. So, it don't even matter, I got the most high acceptance. I don't care about nobody else, bro. Like, real life, for little stuff, like, I used to say all the time, like, bro, I'm ready to die. Like, and I still feel that way. Not suicidal, but ready to die for something greater for me, than me. You know what I'm saying? So, now that I done took my Shahada and I'm Islamic, I'm ready to die for Allah. No questions asked. Like, I don't care, because I know I'm an immortal being. I know I'm an immortal soul. Like, regardless whether I do it here or do it there, it's going to happen regardless. Like, this body, this life is temporary. So don't even be scared of nothing, because it's temporary. You're going to die anyway regardless. Like, regardless. Accept that. Once you accept your death, you will really start to live. You know what I'm saying? Bruce Lee taught me that at a young age. You won't be free until you won't be liberated from death until you accept the fact that you will die. So this life, this human shell, this mindset that we have, it's all temporary, bro. So while you here, every day not promised. So while you here, just do everything you can to grow spiritually, bro. Like, be the best spiritual person that you can be, because at the end of the day, that's all that's gonna matter.